Hello, welcome to the Helpful channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a GFCI outlet. Make sure you turn off the power first, but after that, now you take the black wire take it off. You connect it to this would be the black side of this terminal, and you connect it to that. Next, you take the white wire and you connect it to the white side, which would be this side. Last, you take this ground wire and you connect it to the ground, which would be right here. So next, we're going to tuck this outlet back in, watching the cables. Kind of gently as you can push it back in there. It's going to require a little force, but just as you do it, just make sure everything is all right. And then once we're in, once we get it all, okay. All right. So once we got that GFCI outlet installed, we want to make sure it works. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell to never miss another helpful video.